You'll be probably be seeing 2 cinematic lights in my background, or for some of you, you might be seeing 3 to 4 cinematic lights in my background. I want to tell you this. All this was done while I was editing my videos. Yes, you might be shocked or surprised. With your smartphone, you can achieve anything. Not just a smartphone, with your laptop, you can achieve, and your editing app, you can achieve anything you want on your screen. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this mind-blowing, or how to add this cinematic light on your background. Yes, on your background videos. But before we go into the tutorial, I would want to list out some basic things you need to know before you can achieve this kind of cinematic light in your background. So now let's switch to the original background I used to shoot this video. Yes, this is the original background I used to shoot this video. I'm using a green screen. Yours can be any kind of color. If you might want to use red background, you might want to use white, you want to use ash, or anything you want to use, yes. But what I did was that I shoot this video with this green screen, and then I removed the background, change the color to the background color I want, and then I added cinematic light to it. Yes, you can also do that. But if you want, you can stick to this green background and just add your color in it. Yeah. So this is it. You record yourself with this background, and then you can take to Capcut. Then the number 2 thing you need to take note of, you have to have a constant light. Yes, your lighting should be good. That is number 2 thing. The number 3 thing, you should have a tripod stand. Yes, as I'm shooting this video now, there's a tripod stand in front of me, and my camera is faced directly to the angle I want it to be, and I am communicating directly so that it will make it, when I'm recording the video, not to be shaky. Yes, so that's all the 3 things you need. You need a background. Yes, a nice color background that you would want to use, and then you would need a good lighting system. Yes, a good lighting. Yes, right now I'm using the 3-point lighting system. That is why you can see that the video is very bright. But if you don't have a ring light, a LED light, or a few lights in your room, you can sit beside a window during the daytime and then shoot your videos. Yes. All right, so without further delay, let us go right into how you are going to edit or add this cinematic light in your videos. All right, so we are in the Capcut app. As you can see, my playhead there is showing Capcut. Okay, so if you can see very well, this is the normal video I shot when I was playing this. So I just have to remove the green screen. I added this my white background. I added white background to it, and then it looks as if I shot this video using this. So I said, let me turn off the distance so that I will show you. So that was it. This was the white background. I just took it and I placed it there. So let's get on with how we are going to go about this. All right, so let me crop this point and then turn off that green screen. There is no need for all this anymore. So let's drag in. So I just have to drag in this particular one. I've already removed the background and all those. So that's what we are trying to do. Then let's just delete all this video, all this clip. I don't need them anymore. It's just the finished one, which is this one with this white background that we need to, and deleting everything so that we'll start immediately. You drag it down to the playhead, and then I want to reduce. Let me reduce it. Yeah. Let me reduce this. I want to reduce it so that the duration will be very short. So you'll be seeing two cinematic light in my background. All right, so that's it. So we want to let's edit it. So you right click and then you click on copy, and see on that playhead you click on paste, which is V. All right, so what you're going to do now is you turn off this, the first layer, which is the overlay, will act as the subject, that's as the human being, then that one will act as the background. Hope you understand what I'm saying. Yes, sir. So you will click on V to disable the first one, then we'll work on the second one. I hope you understand what I say. I say click on V, you click on V, but before that, let's extract the audio. You extract the audio and then you delete, and then you click on the first one, and then you click on V, and you have disabled it. So you are working on this. So what we're going to do next is, you see where my playhead is, you go to video, then you scroll down till you see relight. Yes, that's it, relight. And then you scroll down, you click ambience. So that ambient, now you will see what they call teal backlight, although there are other kind of backlight. And this, you just click on this, it will download for you. It will be wait for it to download first. But I already had the T blue already, so I'll click on the T blue, and then you wait for it to apply. If you can see on top of this, the screen of my video, you see that there's a apply one future. So you wait for it to apply. So it's going to take some time because the video, it has to load. So what I will do, I will have to pause this video, so that when it is done, finish applying, we'll continue. But before that, let's change the color of the background. Yeah. Also, if instead of doing all this, why don't we just pause it? Anyway, anyone? All I'll do is let's pause this. Let's pause the video, since it is applying its future. This is applying the future so that it will load. You can see it's just waiting 4.7 with 4 point that and all those things. So let's wait for it to apply before we do anything. That's the reason why the color change I'm making, you can't see it. So now I pause the video, and now it is done. The color has been applied. So this is what you are going to see. So you move it. That's how it's going to be after it finishes rendering. So you see what I did. It's 3 lights. You're seeing light 1, light 2, and light 3. So, and light 3. All right. So let's click on the light 1, and then remember I said you click on point, you click on that object which is background, and then for the purpose of the video, we are going to be selecting color from the clothes I'm wearing. So we're like this red, this something like pink, or is it blood? I don't know. Then we'll shift it. Let's do the other settings ourselves. I've said it before, it's not directional, it is points. Then not both, it is background. You're working on the background, and you also work on the subject itself. So as we position it there, click on light 2. Let's click on light 2. Okay, light 2. Then I also want to pick from the clothes itself. I like this particular color. Then still adjust it to change it to point, then background. Good. All right, so you bring it down. Okay, so we shift it. See, all this relight issue and editing is all about how you feel or how you want it. So it might be that the color I'm even selecting here might not be what you like. So you are now in the light 3. On the light 3, I'll pick on color picker and pick that same light, and I'll shift it down. Okay, so yeah, I think that point is okay. That was it. I have to be very fast, although if I'm editing naturally, like I want to do some things, I'll have to one more time, but for the purpose of this video and I want it fast, let's just leave this color. So let's enable the first video we copied, the second video we copy now. And if you see auto remove, so you remove the background. All right, so it's done removing. I have to pause the video for it to remove the background. So you would see, you can't see it because they are both the same. So let me turn this off. You can see now the background is without background. So that is why I say we want to work on the subjects. So we'll work on myself. Now that's the person shooting the video. So what you're going to do, you go to video, you click on this. So if you like, you can disable the second clip, but just leave it. Or should we? No, we shouldn't. All right, basic. Then you go to same what you did. You go to relight. You click on it, but this time around you're going to click on facial, and then you select soft face. Yes, soft face. All right, so you click on soft face, then you choose directional, and then you set it to the angle you want. So it's just simple. It's not complicated. If you follow what I am showing you in this video, I don't think you have problem with what I'm saying. So let's increase this so that it will be shiny. Let's leave it at 90 or 95. No, 90 is okay. Then we also scroll down to add other, like, I don't think there's any other thing for me to do again. I love it this way. Okay, so we will now go to adjustment. Add adjustment to this. I want to add a little bit of adjustment to this, like to make the video pop. So we'll click on that. We now go to this adjust. You scroll down. You go to temperature. Temperature should be minus plus. I think, let me see which is better. Okay, minus 15 is plus 15 is better. And then for the temperature, 10. Yeah, I love 10. Then for the saturation, let's make it 10 also. So all 10, 10, 10. Let's scroll down and see what exposure. I love to leave it at 5. Yeah, good. Then let's scroll down. Use something like vignette. Yeah, I love this brilliance. It's the same thing. It's like something making your. Well, let's go for sharpen. Sharpen is 5. It's the same thing as contrast. I don't know if it's the same thing, but they might be doing the same feature. So this is let's go for clarity. No, let's use, should we go for clarity? No, vignette. Vignette is just like adding a round shadow in your video. But I don't usually make use of it in my videos, but let me just put one. Okay. So the next we're going to be going is effect. Let's go to effect. The effect is, I'm looking for blur. So how am I not seeing this blur? Where is the blur? I will just have to search for it if I can't find it. Yeah, you go to light, then you search for blur. Blur effect. Okay. I don't know. Can't see this here. Where is you? Blur. Where is you? Where are you? I'll just have to search for it. Let me search for it. Blur. All right, blur. Okay, let me see. I can't see the one I'm looking for. No, that's not the one I'm looking for. Let me scroll down. All right, I've seen it blur. So see it there. See it blur. Yes, I'll just click on add. You'll be probably be seeing two. All right, so increase to the end of the video and then you bring it down to the background. Remember I said the second video, the first video is acting, the second video is acting as background. So you now reduce the blur strength. All right, let's leave it at 10. Okay, so I think you'll be probably be seeing two cinematic light. All right, so let's see which other. I'll still have to. Let's work on the color. I'm not too pleased with the color I'm seeing here. Let's see. What should I change it to? Orange or dark, burnt orange? Let's see. and you shift it behind a little. Yeah, light 2. Let's just be fast. Just want something nice. Yours should be, your own choice of color should be better than mine. I'm in a hurry, that's why. You understand? Yes, sir. So let's pick another color. Orange. Yeah. Then make it a little bit dark. And then place it somewhere there. Then for the light 3, let's crop. Light 2, I mean to say, we have worked on light 1, light 2. So let's reduce the intensity to 80. Yeah, I believe at 80, light 3. Then let me shift this, should I? Yeah. Alright, I think that's okay. You'll probably be seeing 2. I think this is a little bit good for us to see in the eye now. So, as we are done, we are literally done with our video. And it's not something that will waste our time. So what I'm going to do next is just you click on export and then you export your video. So that is literally how to edit videos using how to add cinematic light to your videos. It's super simple. So try it out and tell me how you feel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.